send them to you now on Twitter once I'm done. And in addition to that, it's just I just got a text message that there is supposedly a bus leaving Sumy tomorrow to Uzgorod, and people are supposed to pay $325 each. But the
that is
bus
not
can take only.
no, that is not anymore. I don't know. That's what she said because when I brought it up, that was what I saw this morning. I was like, okay, somebody wrote me that there's a boss leaving, but he can't afford it, and that's why I was like, okay, you know what? Let's talk about this. We have to tomorrow. Let's see how many people we can pay for. But then later we'll find out that it's the information is not verified, and the bus driver later don't explain to us that the bus driver cancelled. So whatever option is still on the table, we are looking into it, and that's actually all I can say. So this whole space has been very informative, you know. And if we keep having this, but I mean, with the videos that she asked for, she's handling the media for their group, and you know, trying to amplify it. That would really be helpful. I mean, that's the
Okay.
least you guys can do from there.
Yeah, and I understand how like it's frustrating for us. I'm not gonna lie, to get videos and stuff when we're trying to run to the bunker. Literally, almost every 3 hours, we're running down and coming back up. But we will try as much as possible to get videos that you need from whatever students. But for you to get anything, please, I still suggest you go directly through
Yeah, you can just
the
say so.
Nigerian
If
Student Union President or
like
the
a group
president.
of students under the bunker stand in front of the camera, state their situation, state the date and time, that can be a voice, like that can amplify that. You shove it up the face of the Nigerian government, and at least something can be done. Because like there's that's the most we can do. There's nothing I can do from this point. Like what I'm doing, what I can do is what I'm doing.
All right, thank you. And sorry, one more thing. I wanted to address something. I know that I don't speak for all Nigerian students here in Sumy, but like I know we're all tired and frustrated, yeah. But I've noticed something, especially in the groups regarding Sumy. Majority of us tend to have this very, I don't know, aggressive attitude toward people who are trying to help. I know that we may not, like, we're tired and everything, and we're the ones who are stuck. But if someone is trying to help you, please try to speak to them respectfully, because supposedly someone tried to help us out of Sumi, and then someone insulted them behind everyone else's back, and the person pulled out of helping. I don't know how true that is, but please, whoever is trying to help, respect them, because if you disrespect somebody, they would not help you anymore, and that's just a fact. We're all tired. We all need to rest. We all need to keep our strength up. But please, if somebody is trying to help you, don't bash them. Don't insult them. Try to get as much information as you can. Verify if it's true. If it's false, you leave. If it's true, share the information. But please, I know we're all tired, but yo, you people are too aggressive. I'm not gonna lie, and I'm even hearing me seriously. Y'all need to chill.
Thank you very much for that. Thank you. Fumi, you join. I think you want to say something.
Yes, so Chris, so this is what we're doing. So the our space is up now. I don't know whether I think it's best for us to merge the spaces together, because we have a lot of information that we need to share. The space is running now. I don't know. Let me see if I can put it and share the link up here, so we can all be on one space and have one information. So they have a lot of information that they're trying to pass out right now. Doing is coming up. So we can go to the other space, I guess, or I don't know, Dr. Chris. How long have you been hosting the
I've
space?
been hosting. Yeah, I've been hosting it for 4 hours now, and it's a lot.
Oh wow!
Please, if there's
let me share the link on the Jumbotron so we can port people over while you go take a break, and then when you are ready to come back, we can now start another round.
No problem. Thank you so much. Tolu, MJ, Tenny, Mermi, Jaga, please, we are with all of you in this. I promise you that I've not had good sleep for the past 5 days. We're all worried. We are all seriously worried. So please, these are normal people like you. I have my child. I'm leaving everything. I've been on this for 4 hours. It's not fun for me. It's emotionally draining. I mean, but I've been in Ukraine for so long. I have friends who have told family. So we are all in this together. All you can do is just try to, control your emotions. And when people are trying to help, just get where they are coming from. I feel the way Tenny attacked Mark wasn't nice, and I could tell from his tone or change of tone how he feels. I mean, everyone is just trying to help. That's all. They are not being paid for this job. People that are being paid are not doing their job, which is the Nigerian embassy. These are people that are taking out their time, money, everything to try to see how they can help. Please. Thank you so much, guys. Fumi has shared the link. We can all port over there. And I think I will join you guys, and, I might not stay for long. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Chris. Thank you.
Yes, I agree with everything that you have said, my sister. These guys, so we want reparations for apartheid, right? But first, for us to get there, we have to clear out these illegal immigrants that are in our country, taking all the jobs and coming in illegally. So I feel like the FBA and the South Africans have a very similar vision.
Is everybody
Why are they
familiar?
stopping you from getting reparations for apartheid?
So they're giving us slowly, but we're still fighting.
I just want to know, because I know why we're fighting for immigration, but why are you guys pushing for immigration, if I could ask that?
Why we're fighting against immigration?
Yes.
Is that your question?
Yeah,
So-
in support of reparations more so.
Oh, so why we are anti-immigration is these people coming, for example, there were 2 million Zimbabweans who came in the space of 2008 to 2018. That's a large number. It's because they're running away from political persecution. So, anyways, we are telling those people, those 2 million people, to go back to their country and fight the system that's there, because they are needed there. They are useless when they are in another country. Like, they're useless in fighting the government that's there in their country. So we are saying that they should go back to their country and fix their country and not come here and take up South African resources that were fought for by our ancestors. That's what we are saying. We're anti that. We're anti people coming into our country and committing crimes too. Because these guys, they come in and they start scamming and stealing and doing bad things. And then they start talking badly after doing all of those things. Like, you cannot come into my house and disrespect me. Disrespect me from your home. That is why we're anti-immigration.
I appreciate that, because it sounds like that's why we're anti-immigration over here too. It's like, it sounds similar, so I appreciate that.
Thank you.
I mean, it's impossible to keep going all across the world and having a problem with the same group of people. I mean, that's a no-brainer.
Yeah, the Nigerians need to get kicked out of all of these countries. They need to stay in their own country. It's like they cannot stay in their own country. See a Nigerian in Afghanistan, like, what is he doing over there? Like, that's some
Are you
fake stuff.
serious?
Yes. They cannot stay in their country.
They're in Afghanistan?
Yes, I think the Americans, they put a thing where Nigerians are not allowed to apply for the lottery visa. Like, they're banned from applying for that lottery visa because too many of them are coming in.
Are you familiar with the Nigerian women that are exploited and sold out to men in Dubai? And there's a video of an Arab defecating in their mouth. They pay them to do that. And I would never make anything so disgusting.
Yes, I've heard those things. I've heard those things. Like, West Africa, this is not recent doing anything for money. Like, that's why West Africa was like the biggest part of the slave trade. Like, they're literally selling their ancestors in the West there. It's nothing new. They'll do anything for money. West Africans, especially Nigerians in general, they're not good people.
And then he's going to have the audacity to say, we like them when they're 14. Is that not slavery?
It's all in that fufu and that jollof rice they eat. It makes them stupid.
I don't know. Seems like a little bit more than that, but okay. I respect your opinion about the fufu balls.